This one is 14 inches length. This one is 10 inches length. I've already cut this. This one is 6 inches length. Step, step, step. The width here should be the measurement of your neck piece, of your choker that you are using. You see my choker that I'm using? So your width should be the measurement of your choker. Then I will start to cut it. You see, I leave more space in the longest one because I'm going to be passing my choker through this place. So that is why I leave more space here. So I will fold this equal like this. Then I will sew it, then I'll pin it. Then I'll pin it. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. I will sew it very close to the wire. This is the result of my neck piece. After sewing the hoop on it, I wore it. Then I just trimmed off the side. You see, it's like an eagle. It just remains the head. When you put the head here, it just eagle exactly. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, on the notification bell so you won't miss my updates. This is how this neck hoop is. You lock it like this. You screw it